At Hearing First East Finchley, our experienced audiologists provide professional microsuction ear wax removal designed to safely improve hearing clarity. When wax builds up, it reduces sound clarity, making you feel like your ears are closed or like you are hearing through water. That's why microsuction is so popular. We use controlled medical suction and visual guidance to gently remove excess wax. Unlike traditional syringe-ing, microsuction is precise and water-free, perfect for hearing aid users and those with sensitive ears. We regularly help with muffled hearing, ringing, and pressure caused by wax buildup. Trusted care is our priority. Visit us inside Cootes Pharmacy for trusted care in North London. Most patients notice immediate hearing improvement after treatment. Our patients describe microsuction as quick, gentle, and highly effective. If your hearing feels underwater lately, we can help. Don't wait. Improve your hearing health today. Book your appointment with Hearing First East Finchley right now.